Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the factory steering wheel from all 87 to 93 Foxbody Mustangs. So there's a few tools you'll need, like a socket set and a steering wheel puller. I rented this steering puller from an auto parts store for about $20. You can do the same. You can also purchase one from any auto parts store or online at LMR. Alright, so this is a steering wheel puller kit. As you see, I already started putting this bolt through the yoke. You'll also want to use this cap and insert it on the end. And what this does is you'll find the two bolts that fit your steering column. One goes on each side of this and they get tightened down to hold it in place. And then you tighten this down as hard as you can, and this should put pressure on the steering column and pop the steering wheel off. Since we're going to deal with some wiring, we want to disconnect the battery just to be safe. Okay, so there's a few different types of steering wheels. This particular steering wheel does not have cruise control. So on this particular steering wheel, we're just going to pull and the center cap will be removed and expose the bolt. On a cruise control vehicle, you may have to press in and turn it, or there may be two screws on the back side that you need to remove the center cap. Now that the cover is removed, we're going to need to remove the bolt. The best way to do this is with an impact wrench. If you don't have an impact wrench, hold the steering wheel with one hand while you use a socket wrench with the other. The first thing you'll want to do is take the yoke and then put the puller screw through the center, threading until it starts to come out. Thread the puller screw through the middle of the steering wheel. Align the yoke with the steering wheel holes. Once you've done that, insert the correct steering wheel pins into the designated holes. Now tighten down with your socket wrench until the steering wheel comes free. Now we can remove the steering wheel from the column.